how to create a free landing page on Canva, which is gonna look super professional. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can create a very nice looking landing page using Canva. So firstly, come on to canva.com. After that, click on the search bar and type in over here, landing page. Press enter. And now that's gonna take you guys over to this particular page. And over on this particular page, you guys have hundreds and hundreds of templates that you guys can choose from to basically create your landing page. So from over here, you guys can just simply scroll down and you can see that there are so many templates over here that are absolutely gorgeous and very, very professional. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick one template from over here, for example, this one. And as soon as I click on that, that's gonna take me over here. So from over here, I can double click anything and I can change the text. I can type in whatever I want, and I can just simply double click and I can type in whatever I want. And then similarly, I can change the logo text. I can change the logo as well. I can move everything around. I can move this around and I can just simply create a complete landing page. I can also add in pages over here to basically further increase the length of my landing page. And of course, you guys can also pick vertical landing pages if you want a very long landing page. So guys, that is how you guys can create landing pages on canva.com. This is super easy and only takes just a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe and follow. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.